Have you been practicing your finger rolls and started wondering what's next? In this video, I'm gonna go over reverse finger waves. So what is a reverse finger wave? A reverse finger wave is a downward facing finger roll or a downward facing finger wave, but your hands are crossed. You may do this by putting your right hand over your left hand, or you can switch it to put your left hand over your right. Step 1, cross your hands at the wrist. Step 2, make sure your knuckles are aligned. Now you don't want your knuckles stacked or staggered, because then you'll have some ugly looking finger rolls. You want to have your knuckles aligned so you can have some clean looking finger rolls. So after you align your knuckles, I want you to stick out your thumbs and I want you to do a finger roll starting with your index finger. It could be from your top hand or it could be from the bottom hand. It really doesn't matter which way you start as long as you transition from one hand to another. You're going to transition with your pinkies. So start with your index, transition with your pinkies, and then connect it to the other hand. Once you get comfortable moving from left and right, just switch your hands and then try the process all over again. And finally, to give this move some life, I'm going to teach you how to crawl. In order to crawl, move horizontally and lead with the hand that starts the finger roll. If you want to go to the other side, lead with the other hand and then move in the other direction. Another way to transition from left to right is when you're moving, stop and then use the bottom hand to switch over to the other side. This will give you a smooth transition from left to right. And that was my reverse finger wave tutorial. If you got value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post another tutorial like this in the future. But if you'd like to continue learning, click here to learn continuous downward facing finger rolls, or click here to learn continuous upward facing finger rolls. Until next time guys, have a good day.